Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I think it's still so extremely clear on the monthly time frame that this is a 1, 2, 3. Most wave threes do make it to the 161.8, so I'm definitely still very bullish. We are getting some pullbacks, and maybe we are in a pullback in the sort of time frames, but I still think it needs to make a wave 3, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5 just to finish the trend that started right here. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave 1, I still think this is a wave 2, and I still believe we're all in subdivisions of a wave 3. I actually think this could be an ABC of 4, which is a 4 of 3, and then it could go up towards the 161.8 for the wave 5 of 3. So this would be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave 3. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still looking at these 5 waves down as possibly being a wave A. And even though this is a higher high right here, and it doesn't really look like a wave B, I still suspect that this could be a wave B. I still suspect that this move down could be a wave C, and that this whole thing is going to continue the uptrend from there. So, like I said, probably a wave 3, probably a wave 4, and then go back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still think that this right here is a 1. I think this is a 2. I think this is a 3. I believe that we're possibly in a wave 4. And I would expect it to go down at least one more time for a wave 5. Maybe this is already a wave C. And if that is true, and if it does turn back up and break structure, that would be another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But for now, I definitely think we need to be looking for shorts in a downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it's very clear that this big wave down is a wave 3. And so what I did was put my Fibonacci retracement on this last big wave down. I think we're likely in a wave 4 right now, which is likely to go up, I would think, at least to the 38. Maybe it could go only to the 23. But I definitely think it's going to go up at least temporarily, either go up to the 23 or the 38%, make a wave 4, and probably eventually go back down for a wave 5. So, I mean, depending on what time frames you trade, if you trade below the 1 hour, you could definitely be looking for longs trading this wave 4 to the upside. If you trade above the 1 hour, then you could definitely be looking for shorts at the end of this wave 4 for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free membership, my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single one of these pairs over here every single day for my members during those Zoom meetings. Also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.